Cool, so the next progression would be taking the bar from the floor. Obviously, this is known as a full snatch. You can either catch it in the power position or you can catch it in the squat position, and that determines the prefix and the suffix of the snatch. So essentially you've got high hang, power, high hang, squat. You've got hang power, hang squat, and you've got full power, full squat. So there's 6 variations of the snatch that we can work through. We're going to go through now and just show you how to pull the bar from the floor using that first pull. And essentially it's all about making sure you've got the perfect progression in order to get the bar coming off the hip with the perfect rep. So we're going to set up from the bottom. We can either start with our bum tall and then sink into the squat, or we can actually start with a squat and lift our bum up, depending on how you feel more comfortable. We're looking for shoulders above hips, hips above knee, creating that perfect triangle, and we're looking for chest above the bar. Hands are obviously in the same position as we had them before, and the first pull, what we're looking for is to clear these knees and get these knees driving backward with a vertical shin. So we pull the bar up to the top of our knees. We're still in that perfect hang position now. Now we can transition to the second pull, pulling the bar up our thighs, transitioning to that tall torso, and now essentially it's a high hang position there where we can get either into the power position or a squat position there. So we're just putting all the hangs together so that we can get that perfect high hang and we get that triple extension with our lats active.